Before I get into this week's video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This really helps our channel grow and keeps us motivated. We all know that being relaxed on the toilet helps us poop better. This is a time for our body to expel toxic material so that we can be healthier and feel better. Why not create a peaceful setting for ourselves to take care of business? Today, I will be going over my top 5 products to create a perfect poop environment. I'm Nurse Wong, and this is Butt Talks. These products will help you relax your senses, take your mind away from external stresses, and make your bathroom trip beneficial for the mind, body, and spirit. All of these products can be found in the description below. Number 1, the toilet stool. The toilet stool is a small bench no taller than 10 inches that is placed at the foot of the toilet. The stool design allows you to put your feet on it so that you can sit at an angle that makes the pooping process easier. Your legs should be shoulder width apart and your knees raised slightly above the hips. This will result in a forward 25-degree angle between your thighs and your midsection. This body angle will create pressure on your upper bowels and open the pathway for your poop to exit the body. This recreates the position of how our body originally evolved to pooping. I personally recommend a toilet stool for anyone who wants to improve on how they pass stool. They are lightweight and affordable, and they can make a world of difference for pooping. Number 2, the Zen Fountain. The water fountain creates a natural, peaceful setting. Nothing is more relaxing than picturing a gentle stream of water flowing in nature. Luckily, this scene can be recreated right in your bathroom with a small electric fountain. All you need is some counter space near an electric outlet to plug it in. The sounds of gentle flowing water will create a peaceful setting right in your bathroom. Before you know it, your body will be relaxed, making your pooping and peeing easier than before. Number 3, potpourri, flowers, candles, or natural scents. Next on my list is something to relieve the stinkiest part in the bathroom. Often people use artificial sprays or spritzers filled with chemicals after using the toilet. I personally prefer using natural scents to freshen the bathroom. Some natural options to help create natural scents in the bathroom include setting potpourri, gathering a bouquet of flowers, scented candles or scented pads with natural oils including lavender or peppermint. These scents are pleasing to our brains and encourage relaxation. Your guests will also enjoy your wonderfully scented bathroom. Number 4, light reading and imagery. Too often today, people are distracted on their phones while sitting on the toilet, losing sense of time. Instead of setting yourself up for a sensory overload, I recommend that you set up some art or light reading in the bathroom for a peaceful pooping session. Consider hanging some pictures or painting of nature that bring you peace. However, be sure not to be on the toilet too long, as your poop session should be 10 minutes maximum. Number 5, the blanket. My final recommendation for a relaxing poop session is not to get cold. Cover parts of your body with a little blanket while you're sitting on the toilet. Cold air in bathrooms can cause muscles to tense and restrict blood flow, making it harder to poop. A blanket within arm's reach of your toilet will allow you to keep warm. However, don't forget to wash your blankie. When you create the right bathroom environment, going to the bathroom should be the highlight of your day. Let me know what some of your favorite bathroom additions are in the comments below. If you like our video, press the like button below. Comment on what you would like to learn about next. For more tips and tricks from Butt Talks, subscribe to our channel. Have a great poop day!